Alrighty, so we had some tea drop from Six Flags themselves. So Six Flags has dropped a press release announcing they're going to be spending $1 billion over the next couple years on enhancing the parks, and have specifically dropped some of the parks here. In the yellow highlighter, you can see Canada's Wonderland will add a new record-breaking water attraction. Quickly, I want to draw your attention to the line above it. Canada's Wonderland will introduce a record Carowinds will introduce a record-breaking water ride, keywords attraction under Canada's Wonderland. I want to bring your attention down to Kings Island. Kings Island will introduce a new family thrill attraction. So I was just using those specific wordings to show you that there are differentiations between coaster, ride, and attraction, which helps us figure out exactly what they could be referencing or, making better assumptions about what they could be referencing. I'm going to give you guys my opinions on the matter, and I'm going to give you guys a few key takeaways on what it could be and what it won't be. So one of the likely options, not most likely, is a super flume. More specifically, I could see one being from Whitewater, or it could be from one of those other manufacturers that designed the super flumes, the ones that they were surveying for parks like Carowinds. But I 100% think Carowinds is going to be the park that gets the giant super flume in their Rapids Ride location. So I definitely think that's why Carowinds referenced Ride. I don't think this is something that we could be seeing come to Canada's Wonderland, but there is still a chance. And the attraction could have just been worded because it's going to be more theme-based, storytelling-based, and less ride-based, if that makes sense. So that could have been why, but I do not personally, this isn't my number one choice for most likely option coming to Canada's Wonderland in the 2026 season. I will rule out one thing. The reason I'm talking about Whitewater West is I personally... how do I word this? My official prediction is it will not be Pro Slides designing our 2026 water attraction, in quotations. So I definitely think it's going to be Whitewater West. It's a company that Wonderland's working with on their new water slides. So what do I personally think is the most likely option coming to Canada's Wonderland in 2026? Well, I think it's going to be a record-breaking either water coaster or water slide complex. So I think you're going to be looking at a major water park expansion. That's what's going to be a part of the addition as well. It's not just going to be one water attraction. Attraction is all-encompassing. And I will say this at this current state in the video, you guys are going to want to watch my new 5-year prediction, okay? My official prediction, 5-year prediction over the next 5 years. I am going to talk about some crazy stuff in that video. I am ready to talk about some things in my official 5-year prediction, okay? So just keep that in mind. It should be out any day now. I'm ready to make it, and there's some crazy stuff, you guys. Wonderland is definitely on the radar for development. Another thing that I think, like I said, either a water coaster or a record-breaking slide complex. So similar to Icarus, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, at Wisconsin Dells. I could totally see them building Canada's tallest or North America's tallest slide complex. And going from there, it would easily fit in a smaller plot of land. And the reason I want to talk about why I think it's going to be water park is you guys saw my construction updates on the new water slide at Canada's Wonderland. And when they built the water depot for that water slide, it was built with other attractions in mind. It can power a subdivision, what they built at Canada's Wonderland. So to put things into reference, water coasters use the most water in the water slide industry. So the reason why I'm leaning to more a water coaster is that would explain the giant complex, the water depot that Wonderland has built and the infrastructure that they invested into. So I'd be looking at either a slide complex referencing attraction and or a water coaster, most likely dueling if they went down that road. So definitely keep your eyes on that. It could end up being, maybe an upgrade to Whitewater Canyon. Those are some other options. But definitely keep your eye on either a flume, because that Wonderland has wanted a flume for a while. But I don't think that's most likely. But most likely a water coaster or a water slide complex. I'm going to have more details about my thought process on this and a more detailed video. I just had to run to work. I was at Wonderland this morning. Then I came home to quickly record this. So comment down below what you guys think this could be for the 2026 season and where you think it'll go. And stay tuned for my update and my 5-year prediction. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one. Bye.